everyone, welcome to Arun's TechForge. I am Arun Barua, and today we will learn how to edit images using NanoBanana with n8n. So let us begin. So this is what we are going to do. Okay. Okay. So in order to use NanoBanana, there are two or three steps you have to take care. First of all, you would be needing uh, Google Gemini API key that you need to generate. That is number one process. If you do not want to use Google Gemini key, then you have to use Open Router. In the Open Router, you have to generate a key. In today's demo, I will show you how to create images using Google's AI Studio, means Google's native API. Okay, I will be using Google's native API only. You need to go to aistudio.google.com, click on the APIs, and you need to, you have to create it. It's very easy. Then currently free tier is available, so you need not have to set up for billing. In case you want commercialization to use, to create it for your client, then you have to go to the billing. Okay, that's the billing, Google.console, and you just go to the manage billing associated with your product. So for me, this guy is already done, and I have also downloaded my API keys. So that is the first step. Second step is, if you use this process, then you may need to refer to Google's API developer docs. You need to see to the REST command, and you need to pick few of these things, like the link, okay, and this content type. I will show you how to do that. Okay, now let's go to the canvas. In order to trigger, I will use a form, n8n form, n8n form. Okay. Click on it. Click on this event trigger. So we do not need any authentication for this. Form title, you can see, say Nano banana example using Google API. Okay. Then we have to add few form elements. So let us give a field name. So this will be prompt, and prompt is a text. Make it a required field. Next, we need a file. Okay, and it will be a file, and the file type will be .jpg, .png, okay, if you need, there is something called jpeg, so you can use that also. Then GIF if you want, okay. So I am only using this two. Make it required and respond when the form is submitted. Okay. Now let us execute this task. Click on execute. it will ask for a prompt. Now the prompt is change the color of the code to yellow and green. So what I am doing here, I will use this picture. Okay, let it open. I will submit it. Okay, so form is submitted, and simply I got this image. Okay, so let us go back. Then this image is currently in the form of a file. We need to convert it to base 64. Okay, so what we will do here, ESTI extract. Okay, click on this one, extract file to base 64, the last one, select on this. Okay, so the input will be the binary file, this file name, whatever you have given. Sometimes if you give image in printer, so you have to use image. So I have given file. Okay, then let it be data. No other options are needed. If you wish, you can select this one. Always output data. Click on execute. Yeah, now that photo image is converted into base 64 string, and you are looking at it. So we are right up to this point. Now the base 64 string, we need to send it to the Google Gemini NanoBanana model, right? For that, we will be using HTTP request, and here you need to use a post request. The link is the link of the model. You will find somewhere in the document. However, for you guys, I have already selected them. Let me take it from this. We are basically using Gemini 2.5 plus image preview model. Okay, simply copy it, paste it there. We do not need any authentication here, but we need to add headers. Now, what are those headers? See the document headers. This each is header, right? So we will use content type, simply copy, okay, and paste it there. It will be application gesture. I'm just copying because I do not want any typos. Okay. Another parameter you need, that is this header X book API key, that you place it here and add your keys. This is a secret I will handle later. Okay. Now click on send body. Here JSON, and using JSON. Now we will expand it. The JSON would be this content. Okay. However, I have already set it, So let's do the copy paste. I will show you what is that inside the mine type. Okay. So let us drag like this. Sorry, copy this. Next is we have to use now see the data are in parts. We have two parts. One is the text part, another is the data that is the image part. Right? So in the text part, this text part comes from form submission. So click on this, you will see the form there, right? Drag the form, put it there within that code. Okay? And now we need to go and add the data from this abstract node. So in the abstract node, okay, there is few things we need to track from the below node also. That is the mine type. This is what we enter as image, right? Image type JPG and all. So image, so this particular image was in PNG, so it has taken as PNG. Then data, drag the file. We need to drag this data. Yeah, we drag this data and here, you know, the generation, configuration, response modalities. What will be returned by the Gemini model? So we want an image there. That is why we will write like this. Take care of this syntax. Please make a note on this. You have to exactly do like this. Now, if you do some mistake like comma is missing or something is missing, you can copy this, go to this JSON linter, JSONlink.com, press it there, paste all, and now I will deliberately make a mistake. You see, invalid syntax. That one. Now this JSON is valid. Once this JSON is valid, you can simply copy and paste it here. Okay. So we are done up to this part, right? Anything is left, I think we are done. Let us execute this step right now. Let's wait for a while. Yeah, we got the data from the LLM. Now this data is in base 64. We have to reverse it to make it into file. Okay, so that's why click here and convert, convert to file. Click on this link and it is from base 64 to a file. Click on this and we need to add this particular data. So this is the data. Okay, everything is here. So it will just take you from candidate 0, content, part, data, and this inline and data. Now execute this step. If everything is okay, we can download the image. Now let us download this image. You see the photo, it changed, the photo is changed, right? Now let us wait for a moment. We will do one more run. Execute. Now see this form of that, right? Change the color of the PI inside to inside. Okay, okay, to the red color. And change the and we change the color go to say yellow. Let's see what happens. Let me take this image now. Okay, click on it. This is for me submitted. Okay, click on this guy. We extract it. We send this to the NanoBanana model. That is Gemini 2.0 plus Gemini 2.5 image preview. In short, we know NanoBanana, right? So it is executing. Let us see the output. Let us download it. What is created? Oh, good. Anyway, so this is the way. If you click on it, you can view here also. This is the way you can edit images using NanoBanana. Now, a small task for you guys. Save this image in your Google Drive. You have to select Google Drive. You have to make sure that you enable Google Drive in your Google Cloud Console. Refer to chapter 3. There is I uploaded my this how to document in GitHub. You can consult and see how can you add API, REST API keys, and you can add those keys. Okay, so that will be your homework. Okay, guys. So this is it for today. I will cover one or two more NanoBanana tutorials, and I will show how do you connect using open router and others. Okay, guys, these are two books I have written. One in 2014 and machine learning. Sorry, what I wrote. Arun teaches Python in 2004, and in 2022 I wrote Arun teaches machine learning, and I am giving this book free for you guys. You need to join the inner circle. So in the description, you will get a Google Forms link. Please click on it, enter the details, and within a minute, you will get a mail from my email ID dr.arunb74@gmail.com, and you get the link of the books you can download. Okay, guys. So please do share, subscribe, and always press that bell icon. And also comment and let me know what kind of workflow you want me to create tutorials. I will definitely do that for you guys. Thank you so much and have a great day.